So a few days ago, I was here in Kileleshwa showing you the beauty about this location, the roads and how they are named. You can look at the video posted just before this to understand more about what I'm talking about. And today I'm in one particular road, the Oloitoktok Road, offering you an off-plan project, 19 floors up high, consisting of 341 units in total, offering you a prime investment opportunity and a flexible payment plan. Stay tuned because I have the best two-bedroom, which is the best investment opportunity you can get in Kileleshwa right now. Before I show you what's coming up here, I just want to ground you where we are. So behind me is the Oloitoktok Road, and from here we are just 4 minutes to Kasuku Center, which is just opposite Kileleshwa Police Station. We also have 5 minutes to Quickmart Kileleshwa for all your shopping needs, and then we are just 12 minutes from CBD, 10 minutes from Westlands and Riverside, meaning Kileleshwa as a location is quite ideal. You're just 9 minutes to Yaya Center here in Kilimani for all your mall needs, and you have the nightlife on Kilimani side, and you also have Westlands and CBD to your close proximity. Another good thing, Arboretum, which has 30 hectares of just green land and trees, is just like a walking distance from here. So on a Saturday morning, you can just wake up and go and enjoy your morning runs under the tree canopies that are in Arboretum. So that speaks much about this location, and you, as you are investing into this project, you are buying into the location for your tenants and for yourself. Now, as you can see right behind me, this project is an off-plan, and it's offering studios, 1 and 2 bedroom units. Studios are starting from as low as 4.3 million. The 1 bedrooms are starting from as low as 5.2, and the 2 bedrooms are starting as low as 7.5 million Kenya shillings. That's a very good price entry point, and the reason why is you get to enjoy a flexible payment plan till April 2028, which is 20 months from now. So a 20% deposit guarantees you ownership into this project and spreading it into monthly, quarterly payments. You're going to be enjoying great amenities, including an infinity swimming pool, a rooftop, a gym, a lounge and a restaurant, and you have an access to the road. Remember, as I've told you, where this project is located is very ideal. So I want to take you inside to show you what units we'll be offering, the views that I'm going to be offering, and at the end I'll tell you the exact pricing of this unit plus the returns that you will be getting. This is more of an investment project, and for those who are looking also to have a family home, this is a project to do, because the best and interesting bit about the project are the 2-bedroom units. So come with me as I show you these units that we are offering. So let me now take you through the units that we have been offering. So this is Oloitoktok Road, where I am just from, doing the introduction video, and I'm going to start with the 2-bedroom units. Why? Because 2-bedroom units is a very good entry point for you as an investor currently. There's no much of an oversupply of this unit, meaning they can work for you as a rental income asset, as well as short-term or long-term stays, and you as well can have a living and stay in this unit. So I'm going to start with these first 2-bedroom units. These are 80 square meter units. They are facing the Oloitoktok Road, and these 2 bedrooms have the first bedroom sharing this bathroom with this is the common bathroom, and their windows are directly facing the atrium, so they'll be having the atrium views. And then this master bedroom has a view of the elevated balcony, which faces directly to the road. The other good thing about all these units is, even from the first floor, you are already at an elevated place above the gate or the wall, so all units will have a view on this side. These 2 units are facing each other, but there's a space here between them, which is into the atrium. So these 2 units are very ideal, facing the road. Next to them, we have 1-bedroom unit of 62 square meters and a studio unit on this side. And on this other corner, we have a 101 square meter of 2-bedroom. And then on this other corner, we have a 99 square meter 2-bedroom unit. So the units facing the road are mixture of studio, 1 and 2-bedroom. The studio units are already sold out, unfortunately, but we have availability of the 1 and 2 bedrooms, so you can take advantage of this time. Another thing is this 110 square meter. This is the biggest 2-bedroom that is being offered on this side, and it has no blocked views on this other side, because these 2-bedroom units, we have the master bedroom having an access to the balcony, as well as the living room having an access. This is the second bedroom, having an access to the balcony together with the living room. So all units have an access to the balcony, which means maximum lighting and also no obstructed views. And then you have your kitchen side on this side. You have the master bedroom being ensuite and the second bedroom sharing this bathroom. So this is also a very good unit to invest in, which can also fetch you good rental income. It can be over family stay for those who want to live into it. And then this is also another favorite, because this corner unit is a 2-bedroom unit, 82 square meters, slightly bigger than this unit. It has this L-shaped kind of balcony that spreads from the master bedroom to the living room. And then you have your first bedroom having this common washroom onto this side. On these units that are facing behind, we have the first, this is a 1-bedroom, 50 square meters. We have another 2-bedroom, which is 73 square meters. We have a bigger 2-bedroom unit of 85 square meters together with this unit. So these are similar units. And then we have a 73, again a 2-bedroom unit. And then we have 62 square meters of 1 bedroom. On this side, we have a 48 square meter 1-bedroom unit. We also have a 51 square meter 1-bedroom and 99 square meter of 2-bedroom onto this corner unit. So the good thing about all these units is you don't have an obstructed view at the moment. Here we have a low-rise mansionette, and also here on the back we have there's an estate here that is of villas. Okay, so at the moment there's no obstructed views, and all these units will be ideal for your investment, for anything you prefer into living. Right? So even as we want to show you to the next bit, which is on the amenities section. So let me just bring this. So this is the facade of how the project will be looking like. And from the entrance, this is Oloitoktok Road. Once you enter here, we have 2 basement level parking and 1 ground floor level parking, meaning your first floor is like on the second floor, giving you all the units facing the road with no obstructed views, which is very good. And here in the middle, you'll be having an atrium. At the rooftop, we have an infinity swimming pool on this other side, and then we have places where you can be having your hang gliders. We also have a kids play area, which will be secured onto this other side. So we also have a lounge and a restaurant for convenience for the residents as well, where you can be spending your office time. We also have the atrium where you can be able to enjoy some nice evening or just relaxation. And as I told you, this location is quite ideal because it's in close proximity to all these amenities that you need around here. Okay, so I wanted you to look at this so that you can see the proximity to the road. You can see on this other side there will be no obstructed views, as well as on this other back side and on the right side. So let me now tell you more about when it comes to the investment returns. Okay, so hold on in a bit. So when we're talking about investment returns for you, we are talking about the value that you're going to get versus the money you're putting into this project. So as I told you, we have studios, 1 and 2 bedrooms. So for the studio, we have 3 types. We have the 40 square meter studio units, which is unfortunately sold out, which was going from 4.3. And then we have the studio, which is 46 square meters. The price is going from 4.9 to around 5.3. We only have like 2 units left. And then we have the 50 square meters studio unit, starting from a price of 5.4 to around 5.8. And we have several units remaining for that specific type of unit. So for a studio unit, you are going to be expecting a rental income of around 50,000 per month. That is at the minimum, going upwards for the unfurnished units. And if you're looking for a furnished apartment, you can be getting comfortable between 3,500 to 4,500 per night, depending on the unit that you are selecting. Now, if you want to expand maybe into looking at a 1-bedroom unit, we have 3 sizes of the 1-bedroom, similar to the studio. Our smallest being a 48 square meter 1-bedroom, starting from 5.2 to around 5.6, relatively close to the size of the studio units. We also have a 51 square meters 1-bedroom, starting from 5.46 to 5.87, and then our biggest 1-bedroom, which is a hot cake of the 62 square meter, which is starting price from 6.3 to 6.8 million Kenyan shillings. This 1-bedroom here in Kileleshwa can easily fetch you average of between 70,000 to 80,000 per month for the unfurnished, And if you're doing a furnished apartment, you could be comfortably getting an average of around 5,000 per night. So you can do the average math regarding that if you're looking for short-term or long-term stays. And a one-bedroom is also quite ideal here in Kileleshwa, having the demand being highest. Now to go to the next unit type, which is the most ideal, and it is the most interesting bit that I wanted to highlight, which is the two-bedroom unit. Now the two-bedroom unit has become a very unique concept for investors right now, because the two-bedroom unit is serving both kinds of market: the investor market, it's serving the tenants market, and all those people who are intending to look for like a family home. And then this developer ensure that they have several sizes which make up much about this project. So the two-bedroom units are more in this project. So our first size of the two-bedroom unit is 73 square meters two-bedroom unit, starting from 7.4 all the way to 8 million. And then we have our next size of two-bedroom unit, which is 80 square meters, which I showed you, it is facing directly to the road. The price is from 8.1 to 8.7. And then our next size is the 82 square meters two-bedroom, which is far much grown. You have like 2 units remaining, from 8.3 million to around 8.9 million Kenyan shillings. And then to our biggest two-bedroom unit, which is 110 square meters, and the starting price is from 11 million to 11.7. These units are ideal for home living or investor returns, because a two-bedroom can easily fetch you an average rent of between 100 to 110,000 per month here in Kileleshwa. That is at the minimum. And if you're looking to do furnished or short-term stays, you can be charging an average between 8 to 10,000 per night in this location. This, what I'm using, is the minimum. And remember, this project is going to be completed in April 2028, meaning the prices will have gone up in terms of the rental prices in the market. So this is just a minimum projection. If you buy now, you're going to be appreciating your value as the construction period goes by. Remember, you have 20 months to do your payment with a 20% deposit upfront. You spread the rest monthly or quarterly, giving you a flexibility of payment plan. The developer is very known into the market and delivers according to what they have said. Book a site visit with us. We can take you through the site, show you where the location is, take you through the model, meet the developer, understand the value that has to do with this project, understand the location, and this could be your next home or investment opportunity. I have been your host, Joshua Njuguna. This has been a lovely ride. If you're interested, the number is always on the screen. See you on the next one.